I recently got my hands on this amazing kitchen utensil set, and I can't stop raving about it. First off, the design is sleek and modern, making my kitchen look so much more stylish. Each utensil is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and heat resistance, which means I can stir my sauces without worrying about melting anything. The silicone heads are perfect for non-stick cookware, so I can cook without scratching my favorite pans. Plus, they're super easy to clean, just toss them in the dishwasher. I love how versatile this set is. From flipping pancakes to whisking eggs, it covers all my cooking needs. And let's not forget the vibrant colors that add a pop of fun to my cooking routine. If you're looking to elevate your kitchen game, this utensil set is a must-have. Order now by now link in the description.